Hello everybody, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page 82, language. Tenses, regular and irregular past review. Remember that irregular verbs do not follow any rules in the past tense, so you need to memorize them. Example: bring, brought, buy, bought, catch, caught, fall, fell, caught, caught, hide, hid, lose, lost, mean, meant, take, took, think, thought. Okay? Instructions. Look at the verbs in the word bank. Okay? And look for the past tense. Okay? Remember that this is the past tense. Okay? Look for the past tense form in the word search. So for example, you have here bring, the past tense is brought. Okay, so you have to search for the word here in the word search. Okay, excellent. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Okay, and remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.